Hello, fellow book lovers. I'm Emily, and today I'm thrilled to review Rael by Aaron D. Key. If you love stories blending wartime realities with otherworldly mysteries, Rael is a must-read. The novel takes us from WWII battlefields to a desolate world where Rael, our protagonist, finds himself alone amid ruins, surviving on meager rations. Key's evocative writing immerses us in Rael's struggle and quest to uncover the mysterious forces behind his situation. What's compelling is Key's skill in contrasting Rael's bleak world with his determination to rebuild. Starting from nothing, Rael creates a medieval village, discovering a power to bring life to the lifeless. This journey from desolation to community highlights Rael's resilience and the human spirit's endurance. Key's vivid descriptions make the empty world come alive, immersing readers in Rael's isolation and struggle. Themes of survival, power, and hope are central, making Rael a haunting yet inspiring read. The rich character development and Rael's journey of self-discovery add depth, turning it into more than just a survival tale. Rael is a profound exploration of resilience and transformation. It challenges readers to reflect on their strength and the power of hope. Whether you're into historical fiction or fantasy, Rael is a standout novel. Grab your copy on Amazon today and dive into a world of mystery and resilience. Don't forget to subscribe to Booktasters community on YouTube and follow us on social media for more reviews and recommendations. Happy reading!